Stripe login, login Stripe Express. If you want to log in to Stripe Express, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now for this, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to open up our browser, and then you just want to go to connect.stripe.com/express_login. I repeat, connect.stripe.com/express_login. Now when you're here on this page, you can see the option to sign into your Stripe Express account. So go ahead and then enter your email address, tap on the submit button, and after that it will ask you to go ahead and then create and log into your account if that email has a password, and once you enter your password, you'll be able to log in to Stripe Express. That's all it takes to log in to your Stripe Express account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.